What kind of person do you want sitting on your jury? In this video, we will discuss the importance of jury selection questions when defending a criminal case in court. That's coming up right after this. Welcome back to Gustitislaw. If you're new here, I'm Steve Gustitis, and this is my channel. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you would enjoy weekly videos about how to successfully navigate the criminal justice system, how to manage encounters that you may have with the police, and how to defend criminal charges. Like always, add your comments and your questions down in the comment section below. A trial by jury is one of the most fundamental constitutional rights that we have in our criminal justice system. Juries determine guilt or innocence, and in some states, juries can also assess punishment. So what kind of person do you want sitting on your jury when it comes time to defend yourself in court? To boil the answer to that question down into a singular idea, you want people sitting on your jury who are most receptive to your theory of the case. In other words, you want people on the jury who are open-minded and persuadable to your point of view. This is where jury selection questions can begin to make or break your defense. Deciding what questions to ask potential jurors involves much deep thinking and preparation. But again, it boils down to the theory of the defense. For instance, if you wanted to challenge and attack the reliability and credibility of an intoxilizer during the defense of a DWI trial, you might ask potential jurors how they feel about using a machine to convict someone of a crime. If your defense involves attacking the credibility of a key witness in the prosecutor's case, you might explore how jurors feel about credibility of witnesses and what factors that they might consider when determining whether or not a witness is telling the truth. If you were relying upon self-defense to defend an assault case, you might explore with the jurors how they feel about the law of self-defense and whether or not they could promise to follow that law if self-defense was raised as an issue in your case. Another example might be, if you were trying to challenge a confession in your case, you might ask potential jurors under what facts and circumstances they might believe a person would admit guilt to the police when in fact they are actually innocent. The purpose of these questions is to encourage the jurors to express their true feelings and their true beliefs about the issues you are questioning them about. When they do express their beliefs, hopefully you'll be able to discern which jurors will be receptive and open-minded to your point of view and which jurors who might be biased against it. Since the jury selection process is actually a process of deselection, once jurors who are biased against your position are identified, they can often be struck or eliminated from the jury panel. Those jurors who are left then will be more open-minded and hopefully more receptive to your defensive theory of the case and give you a fair opportunity to defend yourself during the trial. Lastly, remember that during the jury selection process, you are not permitted to discuss the actual facts and circumstances of your case with the potential jurors. As a result, hypothetical questions are often used to set the stage and to put these issues in context to help you discern the biases and the prejudices of the jury on your panel. Also, you'll be limited in the number of strikes that you can use to eliminate the biased jurors. Consequently, you'll often be deciding between the lesser of two evils when determining who to remove from the jury panel with a strike. If you have ideas about how to go about questioning potential jurors to determine how open-minded or receptive they might be to a defensive theory in your case, add those down in the comment section below and we can begin a discussion together. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video today, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again for watching here at Gustitislaw.